Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you a brand new money making method that is going to pay you out passively. Now, this is going to be multiple methods in one because they're all on the same website, but just different cryptocurrencies. And this right here is going to be today's daily comment winner for actually putting in their Bitcoin address in the comment section of the previous video. If you want to get a chance to actually get some cryptocurrency from me, make sure to leave your Bitcoin address down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to watch this video from the beginning till the end if you want to learn more ways to make some free cryptocurrency. So now let's get started with today's money making method. So in order to get started with this method, you're going to be needing a Faucet Pay account. And if you do not have a Faucet Pay account, I will leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right now. So let's say you already have Faucet Pay. Now, once you have Faucet Pay, guys, go over to this website right here called Tron Mining. And I'll leave the link down in the description for all of these guys that we're going to be talking about in today's video. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started making some money. So the first thing that caught my eye whenever I actually open up this website, it says the mining starts immediately. Free plan gives you 2% per day forever. Now, the way I actually use these platforms and the way I would love for you guys to use is do not ever invest any money inside of these platforms. Use them to your advantage. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is if they give out a free plan, use that free plan right now, guys. Start as soon as possible, which I'm giving you that opportunity right now to start right now as we speak, guys. So this one's going to need our Tron address. So let me walk you through these steps real quick. So let's go to our deposit real quick. And once we go inside of our deposit, and to be honest, guys, I'm actually trading at the moment while we make this video. So you can see that right there. I'm already up to 2.3% right there while we're making this video. And this is what I do almost on a daily basis in order to make some free cryptocurrency. So while that is actually earning me some money, I'm actually making this video and helping you guys earn some passive income right now, guys. So let's get our Tron address really quick. So let's go to Faucet Pay. Let's go to our Tron account, so our deposit account right here. So we're going to copy that one. Let's go back to Tron. Let's enter that bad boy right there. Once we have entered that, now let's just type in any passwords. So exit out of all of these ads. It says you must enter a valid email address. Otherwise, you will not be able to regain access to your account if you forgot your password. So just put in any of email address that you guys have or that you use for all of these accounts. So I'm just going to click on click here and then just put in our email address right here, guys. So let me do that really quick. So as soon as you actually sign in with your email address, you're going to get led to back to the dashboard right here, guys. And once you have done this, your balance is just going to start to grow slowly but surely. So now tomorrow I should be up 2% on whatever they have given us, which is 1 hash, which is not a lot of money, guys. But if you just wait and stay consistent on finding these applications or these websites, signing up with them as soon as possible, and then the next thing you have to do is withdraw as quickly as you can. And I've seen a lot of payment proof from these websites themselves, and this is something that I've been doing for quite some time, guys. So look, I have a Doge one, I have a Litecoin one, I have a Bitcoin Cash, Digibyte, and here's the Doge one right here, guys. So this is like a really good opportunity for you guys to start making some money, and with any cryptocurrency website, and even the one I have shown you, the one I have created for you guys. So let me show you that right here. So if we just go to coin capture right here, guys, this is the website that I have created for you guys to start making some cryptocurrency from me. And I have been seeing a lot of payment proof or withdrawals from you guys right here. So let's go to my account real quick, and I'm going to show you inside of it. I don't personally use this because it's my own crypto website for you. So all you have to do is just go in here, click on earn coins, and you have short links, which is the best way to actually earn money on this, because within short links you're going to get some energy, which is going to fuel the auto faucet. You even have manual faucets and pay to click, even achievements, guys. So there's different ways you can start to make money with this one website by even using these to your advantage. So look, these two are the bigger Satoshis right here, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. So we're not going to see any improvements with them at the moment. So I'll come back within the next day or so, and I'll actually put this in my community tab and take a screenshot to show you how much it has grown from this day. So right now it's already almost 8 o'clock at night. So this day tomorrow, I will just do like another update real quick on how Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin are doing, we should be seeing some results pretty soon with Digibyte. So it says earning rates right here, 1 Digibyte. So I don't know if we have to wait one full day. Look, we already have 7 Digibytes right there, guys. So this is how slow but surely it's growing. Actually, Doge should be going pretty quick. So this one should be going up pretty fast, guys. So the whole thing and the whole reason why we're using these websites are to get some free crypto from them. I personally do not like to invest at all any sort of cryptocurrency, any sort of money inside of these platforms, just because most of the times they only stay around for like a couple of days and then just disappear. So look at this. So let's say we already made enough money. So let's go to withdraw real quick to see our minimum. So we need at least 1,000 Doge in order to withdraw from this account, guys. So there's really simple and easy ways to actually get money from these. Now here's a cool trick. Now, if you go over to my website, which is called Coin Capture, so let's go to Coin Capture real quick. So if you go to my website that I've created for you guys to earn some free cryptocurrency, there is a advertised thing right here. Go to create, and once you've done that, guys, put in the name of it. Put in the description, like a small little 2-3 word description. Put in the URL and how many views do you want. Now, if this is a really interesting way to actually get some referrals from other people, because you guys are not the only ones coming to my website. I am driving traffic through advertisements. I am driving traffic through everywhere that I possibly can, so we can get some other people from across the world onto your affiliate links. So this is the best place you can actually use right now in order to start getting some affiliate links, some referrals onto these types of platforms, so you can start to get some passive income right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, before I leave, I have something very special for you guys, and I'll be showing you in the next couple of days. I've just recently created another faucet, a better faucet that has trading, that has like, not trading, that has like coin toss that is 50% fair. So it's 50-50. So this is like 100% fair for you guys. And there's other things that you can do inside of this faucet to earn some free money from me, guys. So stay tuned and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, peace.